New today, dining out will continue to be off limits for at least the next few weeks. That announcement from the governor this afternoon. Still, we're learning some restaurants are breaking the rules and getting away with it. CBS 2's Chris Tye is live at the Thompson Center. And Chris, across the state, we know that there's a risk for criminal charges for those restaurants staying open. Not the case in McHenry County.
That's right, Marie. The McHenry County State's Attorney saying the governor here at the Thompson Center is overstepping, and the legislature down in Springfield isn't stepping up adequately, creating a dangerous combination, in his words. A lack of clarity and rules in this state of emergency of what should be on the books and what should be enforced. Bottom line, he won't be enforcing this dining ban. The big hand on the 10, the little hand on the 9. And little attention being paid to Illinois' indoor dining ban here at Around the Clock restaurant in Crystal Lake.
It makes me really mad.
Matthew Mascolino and his family are entering month 9 of not going out due to pre-existing conditions.
It makes me really mad because, I mean, they're not, like I said, they're not putting the public safety into consideration.
Through the Freedom of Information Act, CBS 2 obtained this list of dozens of McHenry County eateries that have violated state indoor dining rules. Around the Clock for allowing indoor dining. 2 with the most complaints are Nico's Red Mill Tavern in Woodstock, where inspectors saw employees and patrons not wearing face coverings, no social distancing, and allowing indoor dining. Here at DC Cobb's in Woodstock, patrons not wearing face masks, allowing indoor dining, and operating after 11 p.m. These 3 and 8 more like them have been visited multiple times. Minimal improvements have led to the cases being handed over to the McHenry County State's Attorney's Office. Elsewhere in Illinois, establishments have been issued misdemeanors for failing to comply like this, but that won't happen here. State's Attorney Patrick Keneally wrote, "We cannot in good conscience enforce the ban on indoor dining, which may result in hundreds of McHenry County businesses permanently being shuttered without some definitive validation by the legislature or courts of the governor's continued use of emergency powers." We asked the governor if that means his state police or state health inspectors may step up inspections in places like McHenry County.
It isn't just up to state troopers, by the way, to enforce the law. That's the job of state's attorneys. That's a job of local law enforcement. It's the job of mayors and city councils and county executives and so on.
The McHenry County State's Attorney did not get back to CBS 2 for our request for an interview today, but the top administrator at the health department in McHenry County did, and they told us despite the fact that the State's Attorney won't be prosecuting, they will continue to take complaints, investigate, and move it along for further action. We'll continue to monitor. At the Thompson Center, Chris Tye, CBS 2 News.